In order to lock apps on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and choose Apps, and then select App Lock. Now we need to turn on. Then we need to set up the password. We need to connect at least 4 dots, or we can press Change Password over here at the bottom in order to choose a different password type. I'm gonna stick with the dots, so I'm gonna use a simple pattern. We need to draw it twice in order to confirm our choice, and then press Next. Now we can use our Xiaomi account in order to be able to reset the password, to reset it in case we forget it, but I can also press Not Now above the Add button. And then after 5 seconds, we can confirm our choice that we don't want to use Xiaomi account. There we go. Now we can select which apps can be locked that we want to lock with this feature. And these are just examples, so we can tap on them in order to unselect them. And then we can choose App Lock to use App Lock. We can also use our fingerprint in order to be able to access the App Lock, but of course we don't have to do this. I'm gonna cancel that for now. And then we have the full list of apps that we can lock with the App Lock. So let's say, as an example, I'm gonna lock Netflix. So we can tap on the switcher in order to add Netflix to this list. And of course we can select multiple apps if we want to. So with those selected apps that are locked now, if I try to open an app, well, first I will be once again asked to use the Xiaomi account. If you don't want to be bothered about it, then we can select Don't Ask Again and then press Cancel. But as you can see, we have to provide the password. So I'm gonna draw my password, and only then I can access the app. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we can go back to the same settings in order to unlock these apps as we wish to. Over here in the top right corner, we also have some additional settings, so be sure to check them out if needed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.